everyone, this is Dr. Mark Shi. Today I'm going to show everyone, especially new mothers, how to make a delicious dish at home to enhance their milk production. And those ingredients are locally available, and I'm showing everyone with the name so you can understand and where you can get it. This is Chinese yam, and you can get it on the local market anywhere. And we did try yesterday, and they have not have a fresh shipment yet. In order to cook this, I soaked this 5 hours already. Black bean, and everybody knows that. I soak overnight in order to cook today. I have a spinach here, everybody knows that. This is a basmati, this is ginger root, and this is green onion, and sesame oil, and pepper, salt, and cooking oil. Into the soup. That's enough. Salt, sea salt,